Namaste. In today's video, I will discuss how to design basic gate with the help of Dsch2 software. So let's get started. First of all, check the basic gates at the beginning. As we know, there are basically three basic gates. The OR gate is mainly used for the OR operation. If A and B are two inputs of OR gate, then their OR operation will be A plus B, means their output will be A plus B, and the symbol of OR gate like this. For the checking of the output, we need its truth table, and here is the truth table. Here you can see that 0 plus 0 equal 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1, 1 plus 0 equal 1, 1 plus 1 equal 1. AND gate is used for AND operation. If A and B are two inputs in AND gate and their output will be A dot B or A and B, and the symbol of AND gate like this, and their truth table is this. But in this case, it should be remembered that the plus and dot here are used, like in OR gate we use plus and AND gate we used dot. So this plus and dot here are different from the general algebraic plus or multiplication. These are logical addition and logical multiplication. And lastly, NOT gate is complementary gate. The output of NOT gate is equal to the complement of input. Like here the output will be A prime or A bar. It is also called as inverter gate, and its symbol is like this, and the truth table of NOT gate is here. You can see when the input of A is 0, then the output is 1. That's mean the output is complement of input, and when an input is 1, output is 0. Now we go to Dsch2 software to see these gates practically. Here you can see in my desktop the Dsch2 software. So let's go to this software. In Dsch2 software, first of all you zoom out the window, then it will be better for drawing the circuit. On the right side of the Dsch2 software, there is an icon box called symbol library. If it is not there, like I close it, so it is not here, then you click to the view option and then go to symbol library and click symbol library, then it will appears. To design OR gate, we will first click on OR two inputs. So here you can see there are many icon and it is called OR two input. So I drag and drop this icon in design window. Now take two buttons for input A and input B and click on the button to rename it. Like in button 1, if I click, I can rename it as A and click OK. Then double click on in 2 and rename it as B and click OK. To see the output, we need an light. So I drag and drop and light or out one. So we need to connect them all together. I connect them from add line. That's all. So if I click on the run simulation button, now we can see its various output by clicking on A and B button. So as we know, if two input of OR gate is 0 and 0, the output will be 0. If any one input is 1, the output will be 1. So if I click on A, you can see the output is 1. And if I click on button B or input B, you can see the output is 1. If I click A and B, means both are 1, then output will also be 1. So you can see the arrangement of OR gate. Now I close the simulation and delete the OR gate. In the place of OR gate, I need an AND gate to see the output of AND gate. So in the symbol library, here you can see two AND gate and two inputs. So drag and drop it, place it in the design window. Again click the run simulation button, and as we know that if any input is 0 in AND gate, the output will be 0. So you can see, if I turn the input A in 1, the output will remain in 0, and if I turn input B in 1, again the output is 0. If I click A and B, means A and B both are 1, then the output will be 1. So you can see the output of AND gate. Finally, to design the NOT gate, we need to delete all of this. Then take an inverter, and we need one input and one output. So take a button and a light. So I need to rename the button, rename it as A, click OK and connect them. Okay, my NOT gate is ready. Now click run simulation. You can see here my input is 0 and the output is 1. If my input is 1, then the output is 0. So that's the NOT gate. Thank you.